All right, what's up, guys? It has been a minute since I have shot a video. I've been a little preoccupied with some other stuff. But I have something to show you today. I apologize, I'm a little shiny. I just moisturized, so I have like a radiant glow. But today I got this actually about a week or so ago, and I just haven't gotten around to showing it to you guys. I'm kind of opening it and trying it for the first time here on camera with you, so you'll get my first impressions of it. I bought one of these, the Fisher Space Pen. Now, I've wanted one of these ever since I was a kid, and I first heard about them because they were designed for use by astronauts and to be used in zero gravity. They're supposed to write upside down and underwater and all this kind of junk that who would ever need a pen that does that. In fact, it even says on here, writes it even at any angle, even upside down. So the whole point being the ink is pressurized, and it's so hard to find a pen that writes half decent anymore. Now and then you can find some of the cheap brands, you'll find a good one, but they either stop making them once you discover the one, or they start out good and then they start to suck or whatever. So I thought I'd give this a try. Let's pop it open here. But here's the pen. I got this little mini one. It's the Bullet, they call it. And here it is. It's just a little tiny thing until you open it up, and then it becomes a full-length pen. So right off the bat, it has a nice balance to it. It's a little bit heavier than your typical ballpoint pen. It sits in a nice balanced way in the hand. It doesn't feel end heavy or top heavy or too light. It's a good size, and it tapers down towards the point here so you can find a comfortable place to grip it. And then I got the one with, they don't all come with this, but I got the one with this little clip because I figured that might come in handy if I use it at work. They have all kinds of these in different colors. The original one was chrome. They do still make those. They've got ones with NASA things printed on them, and they've got one with a cross that's like $10 or $20 more than a normal one. I don't know why it's so much more. Let's try this out. I've never written anything with one of these before. So I have my plug for rattlesnake cables here. These guys supply all the cables that I currently use for my guitars, and well, not for my pedal board. I have some older pedals for my pedal board, but they make fantastic braided cables for instruments. So check them out. Anyway, let's make sure there's nothing on the tip here. Let's give this a try. That writes pretty well upside down. That's impressive. Wow. Yeah. It's very easy. It has a nice glide to it. I really wasn't sure this was going to work, what I just did. So I was prepared to do an alternate presentation, but it really does work upside down. It writes very easily. I have to say, it's just a quick presentation for you guys, but I have to say that I am very impressed with the Fisher Space Pen. I haven't decided if I'm just going to keep this for my Bible studies or if I'm going to take it to work and keep it zipped up in one of my pockets as a kind of an emergency pen. I do carry a couple of pens in my pockets at work, cheap ones in case they get lost. But this one would fit in my zipper pocket as a fail-safe. So very cool. Check out, oh, here's the got the moon landing, unless you're one of those people that thinks the moon landing was staged. Or maybe you're one of those people that thinks we never went back to the moon because there's some kind of alien monsters there. Was that movie a few years ago, Apollo 14 or something, where they went back there and there's some creature? It was a terrible movie. Anyway, very impressed. Check them out. They have a whole range of pens, and not just this original design. They have click pens. They have full-size pens. They have a whole assortment. They even have some pencils. So you can find all of your writing utensil needs, well, most of them, with Fisher Space Pen. If you're an artist and you need specialized pens and pencils and things like that, you still have to go to the art store. But otherwise, if you're a normal Joe like me that just needs something that writes different, Fisher Space Pen may be the way to go. Thanks for checking in. I'm out of here. I got to go pick up a guitar, go do a Bible study, and hopefully get a skate session and workout in today. So it's going to be a full day today. Take you guys on the flip later. God bless.